Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Confident Lips. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more detailed videos. Why did I use that introduction when I am not doing anything pertaining to business? I don't know, but today, this glare boy. Today, I'll be braiding my own hair and I decided to film it to show you guys. So what I would be using would be, I think you call this a rat tail comb. I never know the names of these items. A rat tail comb, some beeswax, and 3 packs of these braids. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna use all 3 packs, but I bought 3 just in case because my head kind of big. So 3 packs of that, a rat tail comb, and some beeswax. So let's get right into it. One quick disclaimer: you need to wash your hair before you get it braided. Okay, just like if you go buy a hairdresser or something, that whole principle still applies. You still need to wash your hair and you still need to moisturize it a little bit. Don't go and just place on your hair with a whole set of grease. My hair does have grease, but it doesn't have a large amount of grease, if you understand what I'm saying. So just for it not to be crisp and dry, just moisturize it a little bit. Okay, so after washing and moisturizing, the second step, no, I think that was the first step. The first step would be to wash and moisturize. And the second step that I do would be to part my hair into 3 parts. And the good thing about the rat tail comb, I sound like a teacher, you know, but the good thing about the rat tail comb is that it parts straight. Like, watch this. For example, you see, it does part straight. So that's the good thing about this. You would not necessarily need somebody to part it for you. But I am such a mama's girl that I literally go by my mother for her to part out everything for me and I just braid it. But I don't think she'll be parting it in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so the 3 parts that I'm going to be doing is 1, 2, and 1 in the back. The 2 in front is to drop down the braids on either side, left and right, and the 1 in the back would obviously be to drop down the braids in the back. Okay. I literally have a mirror in front of me that I am also working with. So I'm not just doing this freehand, I'm watching it right in front of me. So this is 1 part. This right here is 1 part. And just tuck it in. Not really a plait or anything, just tuck it into 1 part. Straight. And this right here, hopefully this is straight, I don't know. But this right here would be another part. So we have the 2 parts down. Now for the third parting. Not for the third parting. I think I can cover some of this. So 1, 2, and 3 in the back. Okay, so I just did a little adjustment to how it was before, and I am literally doing this video into parts because I don't want to do a voiceover. I really don't want to do a voiceover, so I don't want to mess up. Basically, that's what I'm saying. So in this pack, it comes in 2 pieces. So I'm just taking off this piece, and what I would usually do is to separate the hair into a couple parts. So I'm going to take about this amount off, and I would literally put it on the chain handle right here. So I do a lot of that with this here. I'm just separating the hair so it'll be easier for me to just pick up and go about, you know. So I'm going to just cut short this part here because I don't want this video to be too lengthy. But you're getting to see what I'm doing. So this is how I line it off. So when I'm ready to plait, I easily pick up one of this and start plaiting. The next stage, I know a little extra, like being extra, is to start on the back. Okay, so I have 2 braids in already, and I'm about to show how I did it using this last one right here. So what I am going to do is to use the beeswax at the root of the hair. Hopefully you guys are seeing. Just using it at the root of the hair. I'm just going to reach for the braid. And how I do it, I don't really start with a knot or anything. I plait it as if I'm plaiting my actual hair. So this part, my natural hair would be going in between these 2 parts, and I'm just going to plait it as a normal plait. You'll see what I'm talking about. So this is how I position here, like this. This is how it is. So the 2 braids on either side and my natural hair in the middle. Then I simply plait it. And I'll meet a point where I'll stop, and I will intertwine my natural hair with the braid. Just showing you how it is at the moment. No? Okay, so this is where I have reached so far, and I'm just going to hold it up real quick, real quick, to ensure that no hair gets in the way. So I'm going to do a front part, and I say why not record this part because they probably didn't see what I was showing in the back. So let's go. This is how I position my hands. Natural hair in the middle, 2 strands of braid on either side. Then I start plaiting as if I'm plaiting a normal, what do you call it, a normal plait, a normal braid? I don't know. A normal plait, I think I'll go with that. So I'm plaiting it as I'm plaiting a normal plait. And then I stop at this point and I split one side into 2 pieces. I just split it down to 2 pieces. So one piece goes with my natural hair in the middle there. I don't know why, but every time I do this on camera, something always happens and gets me so
So annoyed. So annoyed that I just messed up the entire video. Oh my god. So basically this is how I braid my natural hair. You know, it's not too much of a task, but for me, the only task is okay. So this is how the braid comes out.
Okay, so turns out I eventually had to do a voiceover for this part because the audio wasn't playing, but here is the end result. This is how the braid was looking. I literally spent approximately 3 days doing this because of my inconsistency, but it could be done in 3 hours. Don't be like me. But I do look cute and the braids do look cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.